And now for the Year 8 awards. For art, we have Chloe Ashby, who gets the Most Improvement Award. For the subject scholar for art, we have Tallulah Cartwright. For biology, Eden Valentine has the Improvement Award, and Amelia Thompson is the subject scholar. For chemistry, we have Charlotte Finnis, who gets the Improvement Award, and Noah Perez-Gillen is the subject scholar for chemistry. For computer science, we have Sanvi Nagaraj, who gets the Improvement Award, and Charlotte Finnis is the subject scholar. For drama, Amina Hussain gets the Improvement Award, and Bella Penza is the subject scholar. For DT, Maisie DeBell gets the Improvement Award, and Martha George is the DT subject scholar. In English, Isabel Lowe gets the Improvement Award, and Noah Perez-Gillen is the subject scholar. In French, we have Emily McComish, who gets the Improvement Award, and in French, Talika Suri gets the subject scholar. In geography, Imogen Yates gets the Improvement Award, and Zara Ahmed gets the subject scholar. In German, Imogen Yates gets the Improvement Award, and in German, Lottie MacDonald gets the subject scholar. In history, Pippa Manning gets the Improvement Award, and Nerese Poynton gets the subject scholar. In Latin, Annabelle Dickinson gets the Improvement Award, and Varshni Mukherjee gets the subject scholar. In mathematics, Tallulah Cartwright gets the Improvement Award, and Tanvi Vasareddy gets the Subject Scholar Award. In music, Arya Manikoth gets the Improvement Award, and then we also have in PE the Subject Scholar going to Amelia Thompson. In physics, we have Daisy Jones, who gets the Improvement Award, and in physics, Lottie MacDonald gets the Subject Scholar Award. In religious studies, we have Penelope Parsons, who gets the Improvement Award, and in religious studies, Anya Degeler gets the Subject Scholar Award.